Yes, students, today we will discuss the question answers of the chapter number 1 of the book Moment, The Lost Child. The chapter was earlier explained to you. Today we shall do the question answers. Let us see. Question number 1 is, why did the child go towards the temple and what happened there? The child went to the temple because he went to the fair with his parents, and he went there. There was a huge crowd. He got caught between the legs of many people and he was about to be trampled, and somebody just saved him. There was a man who just saved this child and he took him into his lap. Then question number 2 is, who rescued the lost child and what did he offer to buy him? A man among the crowd rescued the child. He took the child in his lap, and when the child started sobbing, crying because he has missed his parents, and the man offered him many things like sweets, balloons, swings, so many things, garland, which he earlier wanted to have, but now the child refused to accept anything from the man. Question number 3 is, how does the behavior of the child before and after his separation from his parents show his great love for his parents? What you would have done if you were in the child's place? Naturally, every child loves the parents. Parents love the children. Similarly, children love the parents. The child, when he was with his parents, he loved, he wanted to have all the things. But when he missed the parent, he did not wish to have all those things which he demanded earlier. Now he only wanted his parents. So you will just read the questions and the answers and try to write down in notebook also. And another question is, a child longs for toys, sweets and other things, but not at the cost of his parents' command. As you know, the chapter is based on the child's love for the parents and the parents' love for the child. So he just did not wish to have. When the child realized that he had been separated from the parents, he started crying and he did not wish to have anything. He just wished to have his parents. That's all for today. Have a nice day.